Hey guys, this is lesson 8-2, more practice with multiplying a whole number by a fraction. Kind of the same series of steps that you saw yesterday. Let's try 5/10 times 5. So what this really means is if we took 5 objects, let's just say these funny looking squares, we broke them up into 10 pieces, I would need 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or I could do what we did yesterday, which is put the whole number over 1. Then do top times top, which is 25 over 10. 10 times 1 is 10. 10 goes into 25 2 times. 5 left over. And we know 5/10 is a half, so it's really 2 1/2. And that's what we have here, 2 1/2. Pictures could be a little bit confusing. I would just always solve it, numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator, and then see how you do. Let's do another one. Because I know the book shows you some models and some pictures, and you might feel comfortable with that. Some of you might not like that. So you can't go wrong when you do the math. Let's try 3/5 times 10. This one I'm just going to put the whole number over 1. Do the 3 times 10 first, which is 30. Then do the 5 times 1, which is 5. And this fraction line here means division always. So it's really saying 30 divided by 5, which is 6. Nice and easy. Let's try another. I think you guys get the hang of it. It's pretty simple. Use a multiplication chart if you need to. 5 over 6 times 3. Put the whole number over 1. Numerator times numerator. 5 times 3 is 15. Denominator times denominator. 6 times 1 is 6. And this one's not going to be an easy one for us to do in our head. Some of us may know, hey, I can go in there twice with 3 left over. But you may need to do it like this if you're not comfortable looking at it that way. All right? And you may just need to say that's the way you're comfortable. Depends on who you are. But it's 2 3/6, and we can actually make this 2 1/2 for our simplifying kids out there. See if I can erase this quick enough. I can do one more. Let's do 2/3 times 8. So I could put the whole number over 1. I could do 2 times 8, numerator times numerator, top times top, that's 16. Denominator times denominator, or bottom times bottom. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 goes into 16 5 times because 3 times 5 is 15, and then there's 1 left over. Again, if you're not comfortable, you got to set it up. This means 16 divided by 3. This line, fraction line, really means division. Okay, let's do, I think I have time for one more. 2/9 times 3. Top times top, 2 times 3 is 6. 9 times 1 is 9. Done. Easy. Don't have to do any division right there. I know that's 6/9. I could reduce that if I wanted to divide them both by 3 and get to 2/3. All right, kids, that was lesson 8-2. Let us know if you have any questions.